देखो ABP सांझा टाटा स्काई चैनल नंबर 1929 पे।
National Mission for Clean Ganga and National Institute of Urban Affairs jointly organized a first-of-its-kind River Cities Alliance ceremony in New Delhi. National River Cities Alliance is a collaborative effort to make river-sensitized cities. 30 cities across India have been selected as a platform under River Cities Alliance on furthering the agenda for river-sensitized development. The core objective of River City Alliance is to provide the member cities with a platform to discuss and exchange information on aspects that are vital for sustainable management of urban rivers. The alliance will focus on three broad themes: networking, capacity building and technical support. Representatives of international bodies joined the event, having a panel discussion over River Cities Alliance. Jal Shakti Minister Gajendra Singh Shekhawat along with the other dignitaries launched the River Cities Alliance video and unveiled Urban River Management Plan for Kanpur City.
नदियों का संरक्षण या प्राकृतिक किसी भी ऐसी संपदाओं का संरक्षण जब तक नहीं हो सकता जब तक कि समाज उसे धारित न करे, वो एक पीपल्स लेड मूवमेंट न बने। और दूसरा ये कि उन्होंने कहा था कि इस तरह से रिवर सिटी अलायंस बनना चाहिए ताकि वहां के लोग जो हैं एक तो एक दूसरे की सफलताओं विफलताओं से भी लोग सीखें, एक दूसरे के अनुभवों से लोग सीखें और इसके साथ साथ में उन देशों के उन जिलों के उन शहरों के लोगों में भी उस नदियों के प्रति उत्तरदायित्व का भाव ऐसा आए। उसी की श्रृंखला में आज ये रिवर सिटी अलायंस नेशनल मिशन फॉर क्लीन गंगा और NIUA नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट फॉर अर्बन अफेयर्स इन दोनों ने मिलकर के प्रारंभ किया है।
The Director General of National Mission for Clean Ganga enlightened the vision on River Cities Alliance agenda.
For the first time, we have brought river and city in an institutional way together. It's not that they don't understand each other. We have been working on this concept of river city. They are planning, making an urban river management plan for last couple of years. But we thought that it's very important to develop a kind of formal network of river cities where they can come together, they can learn from each other, they can share their experience and also get a kind of overall sensitization about caring for river. It's not saving river, it's saving ourselves, it's saving the cities, which will happen only when you start respecting river and reconnect. We had a very strong connect with the rivers in our tradition. We have to again reconnect, reimagine these rivers. That's the only way to rejuvenate rivers, and rejuvenating river is in true sense rejuvenating ourselves.
Rivers have been seen as a problem of pollution, and we have, though we know that the waste comes from the cities, we have never connected the city to the river. And I think it's very important that this effort is being made to look at water sensitive design in a city, to look at how sewage can be retreated and reused in a city, and how all that will add to a flowing river. So it is very important to build this linkage between the river and its city, the city and its river.
The alliance gives opportunities to these cities to strengthen governance aspects for river cities and improve their livability to attract external economic investments. It also allows access to state-of-the-art knowledge and frameworks as well as opportunity to serve as the site for unique demonstration projects which will be implemented by National Mission for Clean Ganga and National Institute of Urban Affairs. NMCG, along with the other organization, has been working to clean and rejuvenate River Ganga and its tributaries.
पंजाब और पंजाबियत की परछाई। अब देखें ABP सांझा टाटा स्काई चैनल नंबर 1929 पर। ABP सांझा देखने के लिए अपने केबल ऑपरेटर से अभी संपर्क करें। ABP सांझा, जोश, जज्बा, जुनून।